Today we're doing a brownie waffle. That's right here. And we're gonna use a 4 cups of water, add oil, and we're gonna so the water first. Water. And we also have this. Oh my gosh. I just feel so donuts. Well, that was. Oh, I thought my died. Oh my gosh. I wash my hands. Now so now we're gonna mix that. Oh, that was good too. We're gonna chip these in the waffle, and if you didn't know that there's glitter in it, I do not know why. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. I want to come out. Oh. Oh, I just want to taste some now. Can I taste some out of this? I want some of this. Can I lick it off of this? I need this to just come to me. I can open it. Chicken hearts. Oh, chicken heart, that's so hot. Oh my god. It's chicken hot. That's chicken hot. Chicken. Oh, what? What? That was hot. Oh, yeah. I might need. Oh, that was really hot, but it was good. So, bye guys.